My motor's about toast, as you know. Maybe you don't know, but it is. Anyway, I have a new one. I have a couple new ones actually, but and they're bigger and better. Newer, bigger, and better, so. I got to deal with this thing today. See, I took off my old motor. Yeah, put a little bit of grind on that, knock off some of that junk. Maybe re-drill some holes, I'm not sure. I got the new motor off. Actually, it was sitting up here for about a year, waiting for me to do something. Anyway, yeah, I still have my material in there, because that other motor, this guy, he's pretty burned out. And not very powerful, I can tell you that much. I think it might be half or maybe a third horsepower, I'm not sure. But it ain't 1.5 like the other one. The other one just snaps to it, and it's going to be very powerful. This guy here, of course, still runs, still can be used to grind stuff or whatever, you know. But anyway, yeah, you can't put a huge load on it or she starts to smoking. She has started smoking. So, yeah, we got this guy here. Which this guy really is snappy. Nice big heavy duty motor. And I think it's 1.5 horsepower. Yeah. Anyway, I swapped out the pulley from this side, which was backwards for my chainmail, to this side, so it's running the proper direction. And so yeah, this dude here's got to have a couple things. I get this hunk of wood off here, which we got this very rusty bolts here. I'm just going to grind off these guys here. I'm just going to grind off the heads on those and then pop them through, and should be free from that board. This core is less than desirable too. Doesn't have a cover. Anyway, I'll take it off. So I've got to pull off this cover because I still get a little bit of debris coming out of this thing. And we'll get it cleaned up so we don't have, yeah, it won't overheat, and less garbage in there is good, right? So, even though it snaps to life right now, we'll keep it snapping to life as long as we can. We're going to put some torque on it, you know, so. Yeah, see, it's still got some garbage right there, right? She goes. I made that key yesterday out of a little driver, little square driver, right? Yes, they come loose pretty easily with just a pair of vice grips here. Give this guy a little tap here to seat it on in there a bit better. Let's first whip this dude off though, because it has no cover and they look a little bit, this plug's pretty wimpy. Twist these guys here together. Heavy duty like that. Hopefully this heat shrink will slide right over here good and far. That's pretty good. So I'll get it on there real good. It's got the glue on the inside also, which really bite into that wire really well. Hold it on there good. this dude over. Get the stick like that. Should be pretty worthy. So it's not going to be getting pulled on too much. And it'll be tougher than heck anyway after this. The motor might smoke, but the paint won't. It should be good. I could see on it that it pulls 0.75 amps, and I believe it says 1.5, which is, that's usually the size of this motor. Clean this dude up just a smidge here. We'll juice it here one time too. Adjustment that looks about right there. So mark this dude. Drill a hole here. Right. Really tight. When it's all said and done, I put on the tensioner. I just welded, cut off that bolt head and welded it to the motor, and then got a, it's got nylon in it. It's a nylon locking nut, and so you got to hold it tight. The bolt's nice and tight. So not real tight, just a little bit, right? Anyway, yeah, that's where the other one would barely start up, and then of course as soon as it starts smoking. But it works pretty good up here for like sharpening a knife or an axe or something. So yeah, I'll let it survive for a while, of course. But yeah, it's I threw in a couple little pieces here to make sure that material is knocked loose, and yeah, it's running like a big dog now. So I'll let that run for a couple minutes now and make powder out of that, so when we get it out it should be looking good. It's been running a few minutes, so shut it on down. Yeah, a little fluff comes out. Good. All right.